Hello, team. Today, I would like to bring some resources that I have been using, which is the instant whiteboard, to you that you may need it or it might be useful in your classroom, in your offices. And this one we're going to look at two today. So the first one is sideboard. Type it in Google. It comes, you click it, and it brings you here. Okay, so on online whiteboard with real-time collaboration. And if you want to use it, you go ahead and then you click drawing now. And now it brings you here. So it tells you all that you can do over here. Let's go ahead and clear this out of way. And here now, if you have your writing pen, you can go ahead and write, or you can use your mouse to write. So you have, for the free option, you have three colors, which is white, blue, red. So you can go ahead and write whatever that you want to write. I'm a math teacher, so I'm going to write quadratic. And then you can able to discuss with your student. You can move it alongside, you can push it aside and all that. You can also make it small if you want, make it big for the student to see. Put it aside here. Okay, so this is the eraser. There is a stick note. In case you want a sticky note, you can add a sticky note and then type in whatever that you want for the student to see. You can put it aside. Let's go here, the settings. I have a free one. So here you have all the information here. If you want to make a little changes, go to your settings, and then all that is here, the sizes and the kind of display that you want. You can change it over here and that will appear. The background, you have two backgrounds, a white and a black, so you can switch it. And now this brings us to the white. Have your white background in case that is what you may be interested. So you can write whatever that you want to write over here. So it writes smoothly, very smoothly. So it writes really smooth. As I said, you can put it aside. You can even make a mistake, you can undo and bring it back and all that. Can move it around, can make it big for everybody to see. And all right, so all this thing is free. In case you want to get more, then you click, you want to go pro, and then the subscription amounts are here. If you want to get everything that they have, is $5 a week. You can try that first to see if it works for you. If maybe you're going to use a lot of them, then you can try the 1 week one. Then if it is really good for you, you want to use it monthly, then you pay $9 for that. They have a whole lot of stuff over here, and yearly one is also here. So it's something that is worth looking at. Look at it. Right, our second instant whiteboard is going to be the whiteboard Fox. That one too, you click, and then if you want to start writing, you just go to start drawing. And now you can check all these things are free if you want to use it for 3 days, 14 days, 30 days, 90 days, 365 days. You check whichever one that you want to use, and you create. So here too, it give you this square graph background that the writing is really smooth when it comes here. So if you want to write, you pick. For free ones, you have more here, you have more colors as compared to the side board. So you pick whichever one that you want to use, start writing. So here I can see that this is really easy. It's really easy to write here. Yeah, I love this one too. If you make a mistake, you can go back. Awesome. So here That's that one. Okay, so this one to here, you cannot enlarge it, but you can move it aside, up, down, whichever one that work for you, and you can erase it. And once you erase it, you can also bring it back in case you want it back. You can click the undo button and get everything back without losing anything. Okay, so when you go to the settings here, there's a lot of features here. So in case you want to draw a line, you can pick your ruler and then draw your line. Draw your line in case you're going to need it that way. Draw your number line and all of that. And after that, you can pick your pen and then start creating your number line. All right. And here too, all this thing is for free, but if you want more, because when it comes to pen, they have a lot of them. So if you need extra, and you see all these colors here, if you need extra, then you have to pay for that. The basic is this one, and that one, the pricing is $7 a month. That is what I brought to you today, which is the instant writing board that you can able to use in your classroom, in your offices to teach your class or to demonstrate anything that you want to demonstrate as we are in the COVID and we are trying to do the social distancing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.